What are you doing, you crazy girl? You singing a song? Ellie? Are you singing a song? What are you doing? Is that your hand? Where's your belly? Oh, your belly is down there somewhere. Where's your body? That's your body. That's right. Where's your nose? Good girl. You are a good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. You're so smart. You get that from your mom.